So Google has made another huge update. And today I want to break that down for you and show you exactly what it is. And it revolves around YouTube Shorts. So this is a crazy new update. It's something that they just kind of slipped in there. It's still in beta, but I want to make sure that you get access to it and know exactly what it is, can take advantage of it, or opt out if you want. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Let's dive in. All right. So the other day I was setting up a new ad campaign. And this is just like the YouTube ad campaign setup, video campaign, blah, blah, blah. And I noticed this one thing down here that says video enhancements, right? And by default, this is turned off. So essentially what this is it says video enhancements aim to improve campaign performance by creating a vertical video from your horizontal video. Now, the only reason you would need a horizontal video on YouTube is for YouTube Shorts on mobile. So what they're doing here, and if you read about this a little bit more, you can see what they're doing is they're basically using their AI to cut your video up and turn it into a vertical video. Now, from what I've seen, they actually automatically create a YouTube short, which could be good or could be bad, right? Now, YouTube shorts are like under a minute. So let's say you have a 3 or 4 minute YouTube ad or an in-stream ad. And yeah, let's just say it's 4 minutes, right? You might not get your call to action until like 2 minutes in or something. Google might cut that out. So basically what this is, and if we kind of scroll down to the bottom here, you can see, get your ad to fit more places, add at least one video of each orientation, horizontal, vertical, and square. So what I would recommend doing is actually just putting those ads in here and taking your same ad script and making a couple of them a little bit shorter, like fit it into 1 minute if you're going to do vertical, and then turn this off, right? Turn off the, where did that go? Here we go. The video enhancement. Don't let Google create additional videos because you want to make sure, you're spending your money here. You don't want to, just let them take your video, chop it up, do whatever they want with it. It might not make sense. It might not be coherent. Who knows, right? So that's something there. So you can see, they allow your videos you can turn them off at any time. Here's how you do it. You can turn them off on new campaigns. But essentially, it's just letting your ads run on shorts, different spots in the display network, things like that. So do keep that in mind. That is a new update. I'm going to be testing this a little bit more. This is like brand new, but you can see they're kind of flipping video ads and changing the way they work. It's intelligent technology, and it's supposed to keep key elements and make sure everything's correct. So, this is just something I noticed. I've been turning it off for now because I don't want to waste money on something that's in beta, that's getting tested. We'll see. I am going to do a little bit of testing on it and just let them do this, and I'll see what kinds of videos they're creating, what it's going to look like, and I will make an update video and keep you all posted on that. But I just wanted to show everybody this because it might be something that you skip over in your ad setup. I do think that what this means is they are going to be rolling out specific abilities to target YouTube Shorts soon. If you do want to just target YouTube Shorts, all you have to do is set up a mobile-only campaign and shoot a short video, upload that, then target mobile-only, and it has a much higher chance of running as a YouTube Short ad. Those have been working pretty well, so just a heads up there. But do keep in mind that additional versions of your video will run automatically if they pass a quality review. And they're basically saying, hey, it's only going to run if it's likely to improve your campaign's performance. I've heard Google say that a bunch of times, and they just run a bunch of stuff and spend a bunch of money. So just keep that in mind there. But vertical and square are for mobile specifically, so you can also turn off mobile, although a bunch of good traffic's on mobile, so you're better off probably setting up a campaign where you're targeting, you have a specific video, or you have your video editor or something cut up your video and actually make sure that everything fits on it, and you're good to go there. And you can just add additional videos here as responsive video ads, right? You can select all these things, call it all good. It's going to kind of look like this. You can edit the ad, drop your video here, boom, boom, boom. It looks sort of like, I'm just going to pick a random video here. Here you go. But you can see this is going to be the same kind of ad setup here with all of your calls to action, displays, all that good stuff. But they're going to chop it up into a shorter video for you. So, their examples, they don't include video enhancements, right? So your ads might show on new formats. So just kind of keep that in mind. You're probably better off uploading, vertical, square, horizontal, and making sure that you're doing that for you and making sure that everything's working correctly. So that is it for me on this update. Hopefully you enjoyed that. And then as always, if you are looking for ideas to come up with new hooks and all of that good stuff, new ads, Video Ad Vault has almost 1.3 million unique YouTube ads and landing pages searchable by advertiser name, keyword, domain, you name it. You can find this, you can find videos in your space, analyze exactly what's working, all that good stuff. And that's always for sale at videoadvault.com. And we do have a free TubeSift bookmarker, which allows you to bookmark any YouTube ads that you see, and that's absolutely free. You can go to videoadvault.com, or you can just Google TubeSift bookmarker. It'll pull that up, and you can get access to that absolutely free, and you can build cool swipe files of all of the ads that you've seen. Here's like all my ad history in here. You can see landing pages, all that good stuff. There's a lot of really cool stuff you can do with this free browser extension. So just want to invite you to get that. Sorry about all my tabs there. But yeah, that's it for me on this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've tested any of this out, we are going to be testing this out this week. This is a new thing. I'm like, okay, what's going on here? We got to figure this out. And it's a brand new thing. It's still in beta. It may or may not be in your account, but it's in a lot of people's accounts that I've seen, a lot of our consulting clients, things like that. So it's probably in yours. Check it out. And that's it for me on this one. Bye for now.